In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive photos public for anyone. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Making a file public means anyone who has the link can view it. It won't show up in search results, but you should still only share photos you're comfortable making broadly accessible. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner of the page, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From that panel, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once Drive is open, it helps to quickly narrow down your images. At the top, look for the search bar and open the Type or Filters options. From there, select Photos and Images. This instantly filters your drive and shows only the pictures you've stored, making it much easier to find what you want to share. Locate the specific photo you want to make public. Hover your mouse over it and click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over Share, then click Share to open the Sharing Settings window. In the Sharing window, look for the General Access section. By default, many files are set to Restricted, which means only people you add by email can see them. Click that setting and change it to Anyone with the link. This switch is what makes your photo accessible to anyone you share the link with. Right next to that, you'll see a drop-down that controls the role. Click it and choose the level of access you want visitors to have. Viewer is usually the safest option for photos, because it allows people to see and download if permitted, but not change anything. Commenter adds the ability to leave comments where supported. An editor can modify the file or its contents. For public sharing, Viewer is strongly recommended to keep your photo intact. After selecting the appropriate role, click Done to save your changes. That's it. The photo is now public to anyone who has the link. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you ever change your mind, return to the same Share window and switch General Access back to Restricted. If you need to share many images, consider organizing them first so they're easier to manage. And always double-check the role setting before you finish, to avoid granting more access than intended. You've successfully made a Google Drive photo public. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.